So in this video, I'm ready to show you step by step how you can turn any song into a full AI music video in less than a minute. Let's get started. The tool we're going to use today is called Freebeat AI, and honestly, this is one of the best AI music video tools I've tested so far. There are plenty of AI tools out there, claiming to generate amazing music videos in one click, but after testing many of them myself, this one clearly stood out from the rest. And in just a minute, I'll show you exactly why it feels different, and why so many creators are starting to pay attention to it. So this right here is the main interface of Freebeat AI. You'll notice it's not just a simple video generator, it's actually an all-in-one AI creative platform, built mainly for creating AI music videos automatically. What makes this tool really interesting is that it can transform your audio tracks, or even simple text ideas, into full, professional-looking music videos with almost no manual work. Now here's where things get interesting. Back in September 2025, Freebeat AI was mainly introduced as a music-to-video generator only. But recently, on December 18th, 2025, they launched a completely new version called Music Video Agent. And honestly, this update changed everything. This new version can generate extremely advanced singing videos with much better visuals, better scenes, and more realistic performance. But the feature I personally love the most is the lip-sync singing videos. This part is actually insane. The lip-sync looks surprisingly accurate, and in many cases, it honestly performs better than some paid AI video models out there. Now, to create your first music video, simply click on Make Free Video right here. Now, this AI tool works on a credit system. Once you successfully create your account, Freebeat AI gives you more than 200 free credits to start testing the platform. But keep this in mind, those free credits are limited, and the videos generated with the free version will also include a watermark. So because of that, I would personally recommend trying their basic trial plan instead. This one is actually great for testing all the important features properly, without too many limitations. And don't worry, you don't have to jump into expensive plans immediately. If later you find the tool useful, then you can go ahead and upgrade to one of their regular plans. But for now, since we are only testing and learning the workflow, you can either stick with the free 200 plus credits, or simply go with the basic starter plan. Here we are now inside the main dashboard of Freebeat AI. Simply click on Creative Agent, and you'll notice there are multiple AI agents available here. But for this video, we're going to focus on the very first one, called Music Video Agent. Now this is where things start getting really interesting. Inside here, you'll see a brand new option called Music Agent. And honestly guys, this thing feels magical. It can literally transform a simple song into a fully polished music video automatically. And the craziest part, it also adds surprisingly good lip sync to the characters. This is actually one of the biggest reasons why this tool stands out from many others right now. So now, before we create the video itself, the first thing we need is a song. Now for this part, we actually have two different options. You can either upload your own song or generate a completely new song using AI. In my case, I already generated a few songs using Suno AI. And yes, all the prompts I used are documented inside this doc file. So if you want to use the exact same prompts, simply ask them in the comments, and I'll share the file with you. Now another interesting thing here, is that I also used a special GPT to help write the song lyrics automatically. And don't worry, you can use it too. So now we already have our music audio ready. And the next step is turning that music into a full AI music video. Now go back to Freebeat AI. When you first start your project, you'll notice there are two main options here. One is Agent, and the second one is Toolbox. For this tutorial, we're going to use the Music Agent. So simply click on it, and this is the page you'll see. Now, as you can see, there are multiple options available here, but the one we need right now is Music to Video. So click on it, then click on Add Music and upload your song. Once your audio is uploaded, the next step is choosing the duration of the video you want to generate. Now, since I'm only testing it for this demo, I'll choose a shorter duration. And this part is actually important. The longer your video duration is, the more credits the tool will use. So while testing, try to save your credits as much as possible. Now, once that's done, you'll notice we have all these different customization options here for the music video we're about to generate. But the most useful feature here is this one called Character. This feature lets you create music videos using yourself as the main character of the video. Now we can use the default models they already provide here, but honestly, I want to use my own face instead. Now here, you can directly upload your own face image if you want. But honestly, I want this music video to look absolutely amazing. And since the song I'm creating is a rap song, I'm going to redesign my image into a K-pop style character using ChatGPT. And don't worry, this part is actually very simple. So first, go to ChatGPT. Then click on this More icon right here. You'll see an option called Images. Click on it. Now upload your face image, then write your instruction right here. I'll be using one of my custom prompts for this. And like I mentioned earlier, every prompt I use in this video is documented inside this doc file. So if you want them, simply ask me in the comments and I'll send them to you. Now just paste the prompt here and click on Generate. And honestly, this image generator is incredibly fast. You'll notice the face quality looks extremely realistic, especially compared to many other image models out there. See this? This is the image we got. In just one click, I literally turned into a rock star. Pretty cool, right? Now, simply download the image. Now upload that image into Freebeat AI. Then click on Continue. Once the image is added, the next thing is to write a short video description. Something simple like, make a music video for this song. Now this is where things get interesting. You'll notice the AI immediately starts giving you smart suggestions automatically. And honestly, this makes the whole process much easier. If you like any of the suggestions, simply press Tab to add them instantly. Now, before we generate the video, make sure to turn on the Remove Watermark option, and also select the correct aspect ratio for your platform. And just like that, we're now ready to generate our first AI music video. So go ahead and hit Generate. Now, once you click Generate, this music agent basically starts handling everything on its own. It generates the scenes, the visuals, the music vibes, the transitions, and then combines everything together automatically into one final music video. And honestly, this is what makes this tool feel so powerful. It's basically a reasoning AI model that understands the song and builds everything step by step, without you manually creating prompts for every scene. This is exactly what starts beating tools like VEO and Sora from many creators, because it removes all the complicated workflow. No generating scene prompts one by one, no switching between multiple tools. Everything happens automatically. And now, here's the final video we got. It's little dreamers. Started from been just finding my tears. No handout, I had to a dance. Time in LeBron, I was losing money. Did you hear that? I mean, seriously, this is wild. Creating music videos is now almost becoming a one-click process. Now watch this. I also tested the automatic video feature again, using the exact same song. And this was the second result I got. City lights was like a water queen keep falling. Cause I was in a distance in the old trace calling. All the sebi pace of the prill state soggy. Drees still was lows, but the coast of a crawling. Yo, here posted by the coldest incredible, right? But it gets even more interesting. I also tested another feature called storytelling music video. And this time, instead of using a rap song, I tried a romantic love song. Just to see how well the AI handles emotional storytelling. And honestly, the results surprised me. When the world gets cold at night, you're the warmth that holds me tight. Crazy, right? This tool is honestly insane. Wow. The most interesting thing about this tool is the way it builds the video scene by scene. And honestly, this part is actually impressive. If you slide this bar right here, you can literally see all the different video elements being created step by step. Look how smart the AI is with the scene generation. Now, this is where things get really interesting. The image generation quality of this model is honestly insane. What it does behind the scenes is generate separate prompts for every single image automatically to maintain character consistency throughout the whole video. And you'll notice this immediately. Look at my character carefully. The face stays consistent, the hairstyle stays consistent, even the clothes barely change. Honestly, I haven't even noticed any major difference between the scenes. And that's something many AI video tools still struggle with right now. This level of consistency is simply incredible. Apart from the music agent, Freebeat AI also gives us access to a complete toolbox. And honestly, this part makes the platform feel like a full production studio. So click on this option right here. Now, you'll notice we have many different tools available to customize our videos exactly the way we want. We have things like music to dance generator, music to lyrics generator, and even a built-in music generator itself. So instead of using separate tools like Suno AI, you can actually generate your songs directly inside Freebeat AI as well. Now watch this. For example, I can create a completely new song right here without opening Suno AI at all. Simply click on Music Generator, then select Suno V5 as your model. After that, you can ask the AI to create any type of song you want. For example, I'll type something simple like create a motivational song about never giving up on life and dreams. And just like that, the AI starts generating a full song for us automatically. Now this is the result we got. You woke up tired again at that same old way, but the road still calls your name, you cannot be late. Your shoes got dust on them, shades got scars. Amazing song, right? And if you like the result, simply click here and download it instantly. Now, one thing you should know is that video generation usually costs more credits than song generation. But surprisingly, it only used a small amount of credits to generate this full 3-minute song. Apart from the music tools, Freebeat AI also comes with a full collection of AI video tools built into the platform. And honestly, this is where the tool starts feeling like a complete automation package. If you look right here, you'll notice options like AI video generator, portrait videos, ASMR videos, face swap, and even AI dance videos. So instead of switching between multiple websites and tools, everything is already available in one place. And this is actually very useful for automation creators, because one single tool can now help you build almost your entire content workflow. Now watch this. The AI dance video generator alone can easily help you create viral content for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and even Instagram Reels. All you need to do is choose your preferred style, upload your image, and click Create. You can generate K-pop dance videos, traditional dance videos, anime dance styles, and many other types as well. And now, here's another interesting feature. Freebeat AI also has its own built-in AI image generator. Remember earlier I used ChatGPT to redesign my face into an AI singer avatar? Well, you can actually do the same thing directly inside Freebeat AI too. If we click on this image option right here, you'll notice different AI image models available, including Nano Banana Pro. Simply choose any model you like, write your prompt, and generate your images directly here. Now this is great for creators who want full control over their production process. You can generate your images scene by scene, download them one by one, and build the exact style you want. Then, after generating the images, simply go to the image to video option here and turn them into animated videos. You can even use the lip sync model as well for more accurate singing and facial movement. And honestly, this is perfect for creators who prefer creating videos step by step or want to regenerate certain scenes to better match the mood and vibe of the song. The really interesting thing about Freebeat AI is that it actually delivers what it promises. It claims to be an all-in-one AI platform, and honestly, that's exactly what it feels like. Now, if you look right here, you'll notice it even comes with a massive stock image library built in. And this is actually very useful for creators who want a more realistic touch in their videos, instead of relying completely on AI-generated visuals. The platform gives you access to thousands of copyright-free assets from sites like Pexels and Pixabay to help you create even more professional-looking productions. So if you want, you can combine AI visuals with real stock footage and create something even more cinematic. Now, make sure that image easy for you AI is extremely good at analyzing the rhythm. Once the image is added, and that's timing goes to write a short end, a lot is how to synchronize a visual life and these making it almost deal with this song. That's what now this is the worst thing is the toe alive. You'll notice literally all the menu will be threaded in the sponge the hours and others now all. Of the honest songs, this can noise process my analyze everything. If you like what you do to write out online, simply press tab up to the ends of videos into YouTube, Spotify, I formally generate a video or almost making sure to different on the remove watermark and personally. And also it's for letting the Luet created and write it these AI early and just like how math we're now ready to generate our first AI experimenting with these tools. So go ahead and hit Joe your creative where one and click generate and slowly use an agent to videos on knowing everything's on it. And of course, this generate if you still have any questions or evolution about using this video, transitionally ask me, and then combines every I will get around my best to reply into one as I know music video. And if this video harmlessly, make sure to like what makes this try, so share with your friends or team. Thanks to agree, I will use so much AR model. auf das Lalurstehen auf a song, du dwaddles everything siga for